This is English Injection at EnglishCity.com with Andres Diaz.
Hello! In today's English Injection, I will explain these words. Guy, and, there is, under, and train. Okay, so here's the there is. There is, we use it to express existence. There is a man in YouTube, for example. Okay?
Next one.
Is equals to one. We use it when the next word starts with a consonant. For example, a car. A man. Okay.
Next word.
Next word is an. An is the same as a. It's one, quantity of one, but we use it when the next word starts with a vowel. For example, an elephant. One elephant. An elephant. Great.
Next word
Is guy. Guy is the same as man. For example, there is a man, there is a guy teaching English in YouTube.
Next word
Is under. It expresses the position of an object related with another object. For example, there is a man, there is a guy under an elephant.
Next word
Is train. It's a transportation option for cargo, and it does
toot toot.
Okay, that is all for today. Here is the practice. There is a guy under a train.
You're gonna fucking die. You don't need the fucking train. This guy's under a fucking train. Man, hey. Hey, you got time to roll out between wheels. Huh? You got time to roll out between wheels. Chuck that to me. Now, chuck it to me. Next one, not that one. No. Alright. Now. Hurry up, man.
If you like this video, press subscribe, like it, or comment. And go to EnglishCity.com. There I have English classes for you to learn more.
This is English Injection at EnglishCity.com with Andres Diaz.